welcome to IBW Goa. This is the box office where you will get tickets, guys. So there are lots of club registrations, on the spot registrations, then already single registrations and everything. So come over, do register yourself. By the time you are seeing this video, probably the whole IBW will be done. No problems, next year will come again. So please enjoy. So guys, we are ending this IBW trip with a good note. Thank you very much everybody for joining us. And I have Kiran here signing off to Bombay and myself signing off to Hyderabad. So we all thank you very much. It was a very good time spent. Thanks Kiran. Take care and happy journey. Thank you. नाम पे सोहम किती क्लास आहे कोणती क्लास मध्ये आहे सातवी